Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to post your design on Facebook, Instagram or TikTok with the help of Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that just head over to the design that you are working on and the one that you are willing to share. So after you open up, just go here to the share option and just click here on see all. So after you click on see all, just scroll down a bit and you will see the social section here. So there is Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok all under the same name. So just if you click on Instagram, you will see two options. Immediately post from the mobile app, or you can also schedule your post from desktop. As for Facebook page, you can directly after you connect your page to Canva, you can directly post from here. Same goes with TikTok, like you need to scan the QR code. So that's it. It's a pretty easy process. I hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching and take care.